चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
We also have a reaction from Himanta Biswa Sarma. He has spoken out on this terrible tragedy which took place today. We're getting many reactions as Ashwini Vaishnav is on his way to the mishap site. Let's play out that reaction of Himanta Biswa Sarma.
I have spoken to Railway Minister regarding the accident. We doubt because the train was from Tripura. It has passes through Assam. So there will be many passengers from Assam. We remain concerned about the passengers. We are waiting for details. My Chief Secretary is in constant touch with Railway Authority. Whatever we need to do, we will do. But first of all, we have to get clarity from the Railway Department. So we are waiting for that as of now. I have spoken to Railway Minister regarding the accident. We doubt because the train was from Tripura. It has passes through Assam. So there will be many passengers from Assam. We remain concerned about the passengers. We are waiting for details. My Chief Secretary is in constant touch with Railway Authority. Whatever we need to do, we will do. But first of all, we have to get clarity from the Railway Department. So we are waiting for that as of now.
And viewers, we shift our focus now to the other big story we are tracking, Delhi water crisis. We see that the crisis is looming. Very, very important story as the heat wave is hitting all the Delhi residents. 50°C temperatures being recorded. Politics, though, continues to take precedence. What we see right now, we see that as common people, the common man is jostling for basic necessities, basic water supply. Amid the scorching heat, we see that politics is continuing in this case. Delhi Minister Atishi has now approached a Delhi top cop seeking protection of major pipelines. This while the BJP has taken to the streets. The BJP is protesting and they're questioning the Aam Aadmi Party over its governance model. For the past 2 days now, we're seeing the BJP protesting. My colleague Piyush Ori has got us this report. Let's take a look.
I'm right now reporting from outside the water filling plant of the Delhi Jal Board. And from the lens of my video journalist, Vijay Pramod Mataji, you can see the line of the Delhi Jal Board trucks which are being stationed over here to get water from this water filling plant of the Delhi Jal Board. So you can understand that the number of trucks which are being lined up over here shows the kind of water emergency that is being faced by the residents of Delhi and how a large number, a substantial number of residents of Delhi are not receiving water. So you can see from the lens of my video journalist that how there are series of trucks which are coming from the water filling plant of the Delhi Jal Board and trying to supply water to the residents of Delhi. A large number of trucks being stationed over here only reflects the kind of emergency being faced by the residents of Delhi. On its side, the Aam Aadmi Party, the government of Delhi, is saying that it is being done because Haryana is not releasing enough water from Yamuna, due to which there is a shortage of water. However, what also needs to be attributed is that for long there has also been a careless approach which has been adopted to some extent by residents, in which illegal borewells are being made to be installed. There have been water theft that is being done by the private water tanker mafia. All these aspects also need to be taken care of at this present moment where a large number of residents are facing shortage of water.
2013 में जब दिल्ली विधानसभा का चुनाव हुआ उस चुनाव से पहले अरविंद केजरीवाल ने दिल्ली के लोगों के साथ ये वायदा किया था, यदि दिल्ली में उनकी पार्टी की सरकार आएगी, वे दिल्ली को 24 घंटे क्लीन वाटर उपलब्ध कराएंगे। उन्होंने ये वायदा भी किया था कि जब बरसात होती है तो बरसात का पानी यमुना में बह जाता है और समुद्र में जाकर गिरता है। हम इस बरसाती पानी को यमुना के किनारे जो खेतीबाड़ी की ज़मीन है, जो किसानों की ज़मीन है, उस ज़मीन को किराए पर लेकर उसमें बड़े बड़े गड्ढे खोदकर उस बरसाती पानी को स्टोर करेंगे और उसको फिर ट्रीट कर कर दिल्ली के लोगों को उपलब्ध कराएंगे। दूसरी बात उन्होंने कही थी कि हम दिल्ली में रेनीवेल लगाएंगे, पल्ला और सोनिया विहार में। तीसरी बात कही थी कि हमें 150 MGD पानी मुरादनगर से लाना है, उसके लिए हम पाइपलाइन बिछाकर हम दिल्ली को पानी उपलब्ध कराएंगे। चौथी बात उन्होंने कही थी कि हमें हिमाचल के कसऊ डैम से भी लगभग 150 MGD पानी मिलेगा, उसके लिए भी पानी की पाइपलाइन बिछाकर हम दिल्ली को उपलब्ध कराएंगे। और ये कमिटमेंट भी की थी कि जो ये पानी हमें मिलेगा तो हम दिल्ली में 4 नए वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट भी लगाएंगे।
एक चीज़ मेरे को बताइए रामीर बिदुरी जी, ये अरावली यहाँ पे बहुत है, यहाँ पे अरावली में अगर आप रिचार्जिंग पॉइंट अगर कर लेते हैं तो अच्छा होता है, लेकिन हम देख रहे हैं कि अरावली के भी बहुत मतलब पेड़ काटे आ रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे भी जो इसका जो हालत हम ख़राब कर रहे हैं अरावली की, उससे भी आपको लगता है कि पानी की समस्या हुई है?
वो अरावली की बात को आप एक बाजू रखिए ना, पहले मैं बात कर रहा हूँ कि जो पानी दिल्ली को आना था जहाँ से, आप वहाँ से पानी ले आइए, आपको कुछ करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। एक अच्छी बात कही थी अरविंद केजरीवाल ने कि हम 150 MGD मुरादनगर से लाएंगे, हम यमुना में जो बरसाती पानी बह जाता है उसको रोक कर, उसको स्टोर करके, उसको ट्रीट करके दिल्ली के लोगों को देंगे। अरे भाई, ये कदम उठाने की आवश्यकता थी। इससे पहले भी दिल्ली में जब मदन लाल खुराना की सरकार थी, बाद में साहिब सिंह जी दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री बने, तो उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार के साथ MOU साइन हुआ कि टिहरी बांध से 140 MGD पानी दिल्ली को मिलेगा।